discussed on CRC, cyclic redundancy check. The CRC is the error detection mechanism. Already the previous lecture we had discussed what is a simple parity and two-dimensional parity mechanism, and the one more is checksum. Okay. So, after that one, the CRC is the one more mechanism to identify or to detect the errors. Okay. Coming to this, the CRC architecture, you have to see the data word. The data word is nothing but our message, the actual message. So, in this example, the data word is 4 bits. Those are A0, A1, A2 and A3. This is the actual message, which is called the data word, and give it to the generator. So, before the give it to the generator, and 3 zeros, we have to mention 3 zeros. In the sense, the divisor having the 4 bits, the 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3. So, we have to include the 3 zeros in that data word. So, the finally those are called the, we also call as a code word. Code word in the sense is a combination of data word plus redundancy bits. Data words. So, A3, A2, A1, A0, these are the data word, we know that one, and R0, R1, R2. So, after generator generate these 3 bits, right. So, finally, this is the code word. So, coming to the encoder. So, what is the use of encoder? And encoder and decoder you learn in the digital logic design. So, what is the use of encoder? It can encode the messages, right, similar to the multiplex and demultiplex mechanism. So, in multiplex and demultiplex mechanism, whereas multiplex, it will take n number of as a input and produces only one output, that is a multiplexer. Whereas a demultiplexer, it can takes the only one input and produces n number of outputs. The coming to the encoder takes 8 inputs, and the parity bits are the selection bits are the 3. Then we need 8 inputs for encoder, right. So, that is the encoder and decoder mechanism. And coming to the decoder side, that is the receiver side. So, the total code word is transferred from source to destination via unreliable media. So, always I said, so errors are happened during transmission time only. Errors are occurred during transmission time only, which is mean that any error means the bits are changed from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So, it will happen in the transmission medium only. That is why it is unreliable. So, not a reliable. Okay. So, the receiver side will checks that message is the correct one or received the correct message or any error has occurred in that messages. Okay. So, again the code word is B3, B2, B1, B0, and Q2, Q1 and Q0 is the redundancy bits. The checker can check the messages. If it is any error message is there in that message, they simply go to the logic, checks the logic, and any error message is there, simply discard it. If it is there is no errors, and give it to the receiver. Okay. This is the total architecture for the CRC, cyclic redundancy check, right. Yes. So, the CRC, this is the example, and the two, this is the gate. They are asking question for the gate ID 2005 bit. Okay. So, coming to the bit, the CRC bit, consider the following message: m equal to that is a message, actual message or a data word, we also called as a data word 101001101, right, that is the actual message or a data word. The cyclic redundancy check CRC for this message using divisor polynomial. So, the divisor polynomial is, this one is the divisor polynomial, x power 5 plus x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1, and is. So, they are asking what is the reminder for that one, what is the reminder or redundancy bit. So, they are given the option A 01110, B 010111, C 10101, D 10110. So, let us do this one. First, we will check for the divisor polynomial. So, how many bits are there in divisor polynomial? First, we have to elaborate actually x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, x square, x power 1 and x power 0, right. This is the format. x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4, x power 5. So, in our divisor polynomial, the given the divisor polynomial, x power 5 we will put 1, x power 4 1, x power 2 1, and 1 in the sense x power 0 is nothing but the value is 1 and remaining zeros, right. So, that is the divisor polynomial. And coming to the actual message, 1 0 1 triple 0 double 1 0 1 double 1 0 1 0 1. So, how many bits are there? How many bits here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So, 6 minus 1, the 5 bits, 5 zeros we have to add here, 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. Okay. So, that is the coming to the first one, one time 1 1 0 1 0 1. So, here we are applying the subtraction operator, or simply we also called as a XOR operator. We will do for XOR operator. What is the XOR operator? If the both inputs are the same, both inputs are the same, that is a 0 0 or 1 1, the output should be 0 only. Whereas, the similar one, if it is a x is value 1 and y value is 0, then output should be 1, right. Similarly, vice versa. So, coming to the here 0 1, the value is 1, 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 0 1 1 and 0. Simply cross it, and one bit should be goes down, right. So, again one time 1 1 0 1 0 1, 1, similar fashion 1 1 1 1 0 0. Simply cross the leftmost bit, and one more bit goes down here. So, whenever the leftmost bit is 0, then no need to 1, because it is a 0, then we have to consider the zeros, all zeros, 1 1 1 1 1 0, the cancel leftmost bit, and put it down one more bit, that is a 0. So, one time 1 1 0 1 0 1, cancel it and apply XOR operator or subtraction, 1 1 0 1 0 0, the cancel it, put it down one bit, that is the value is 1. So, leftmost should be 0, after cancellation also the value 1, the value is leftmost bit is 0, that is why 0 time again zeros, 1 1 1 0 1 0, the cancel it leftmost bit, again put it down one more bit, that is 0, right. Again one time 1 1 0 1 0 1. So, 1 1 0 1 1 0, cancel the leftmost bit, and one bit should be put it down, that bit should be 0 here. Again one time 1 1 0 1 0 1, again apply subtraction operator, 1 1 0 0 0 0, right. Cancel the leftmost 0 and put it down one more bit, that is 0 bit. So, even though after cross the leftmost bit 0, again we have 0. So, that is why we will do for the 0, 0 0 0 0 0 0, one time 0 0 1 1 0 0 0, cancel it, again the 0, apply for the 0, 0 0 0 0, cancel the leftmost bit 0, 0, the last one is So all 0 0 1 triple 1 0. Okay, so the leftmost should be 0, that's why we have to cross it. Then even though if it is a 0, then we put it in the 0. The final one is 0 triple 1 0. So 0 triple 1 0 is the A is the right answer. A is the right answer. So one more bit we will solve it, the same the gate bit. Let's wait. Yes, next example, this bit is asked in gate CS 2007. Okay, so the commit the bit is the message 11001001 is to be transmitted using the CRC polynomial x power 3 plus 1. To protect it from errors, the message is that should be the transmitted is. So these are the given options, option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay, so first this is the polynomial, the CRC this is the polynomial, CRC divisor polynomial. First we have to expand it, this one, x power 3 x square x power 1 x power 0, right. So already the given polynomial is x power 3 is there and x power 0 is there. 1 means x power 0, x power 0 value is 1, right. Remaining we should put it as a 0, right. So total how many bits are the divisor polynomials? 4 bits, 1001, 4 bits. The actual message is, this is the actual message, 1100 1001. That is the actual polynomial. The given the divisor is 1001. So we have to add how many bits here? How many bits we have to add? 3 bits, because here the divisor polynomial having the 4 bits, 4 minus 1, 3 bits we have to add. Those bits are the 0 bits, 0 bits. Then let's we will do it one time, that is 1001. Apply subtract operator or XOR gate, XOR value, cancel it. One bit should be put it down, that bit should be 1 here, and again one time 1001 0 1 0 0. Cancel the leftmost 0 bit and 1 bit should be put it down, that bit should be 0, and even though after cross the 0, again one more bit is the 0, then we will do for the zeros, all zeros, 0 0 1 0, cross the leftmost bit 0 and again one bit put it down, and one time, that is 1001, right, 1 0 0 1, sorry 0. Okay, cancel the 0 bit, 1, right. So the leftmost 2 bits are 0, then that's why it is 0, 1 1 0 0. Cancel the leftmost bit and 1 bit should be put it down, that is that bit should be 0, again 0 time, because here is 0, 0 1 1 0. Cancel it, then put it down the 0 0, one time, because the leftmost should be bit is 1, that's why one time 1001, right, 1 0 1 0. Cancel the leftmost bit and 1 bit should be put it down 0, right. Again one time 1001 1 1 0 0. Cancel the leftmost bit. What is the remainder value? What is the remainder? 3 0 1 1, right, 0 1 1. So this is the actual message, this is the actual message, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, and this is the actual message and or the data word. The data word is we have to add the redundancy bits, those bits are 0 1 1, right. Then check for which one is the correct answer, 1100 100 1. So this is not correct one, and again 1100 100 1011. This is the right answer. The B is the right answer for this bit, right? Yeah. Next bit is this bit is asked in 2016 UGC-NET. In UGC-NET computer science paper, computer science and application paper, they asked the one CRC bit. So in this CRC one, first we will read it. In CRC checksum method, assume that the given frame for the transmission is 110101111. This is the actual message, and the generator polynomial is this for the generator polynomial x power 4 plus x plus 1 is the generator polynomial. After implementing the CRC encoder, the encoded word sent from center site is. So is raising one question. So the given is the actual message and the polynomial. First we will check the polynomial. We will write the polynomial x power 4, x power 3, x square, x power 1 and x power 0. Right. The given polynomial is x power 4. Simply put it as a 1, and x. So this is the 1, and 1 in the sense x power 0. The remaining case is 0, right? Total how many bits in x generator polynomial? 5 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 bits. Okay, we will solve it first. The given message 11010 11011, the given actual message, and the generator polynomial is 10011. So total how many bits? The total 5 bits. 5 minus 1, 4 zeros we have to add. 4 zeros, right? 4 zeros. Okay, then let's do it. So leftmost bit is 1, that's why it's a one time. 10011. So apply XOR operator or subtraction here. 1 0 0 1 0. Cancel the leftmost bit 0 bit and 1 bit, put it down. The bit should be 1 here. So leftmost should be 1 and 10011, right? 0 0 0 0 0. All are zeros, then cancel it, then apply 0 time. Okay, 0 time. 1 0 0 0 0. Cancel the leftmost bit and put it down 1 bit, that is bit should be 0, and 0 time. 0 1 0 0 0. Cancel leftmost bit and put it down 1 more bit, that is the 1, and the leftmost bit is 0 0, that is why we will consider the 0 0 for all the bits. 1 0 1 0 0, right? Cancel the leftmost bit and put it down 1 bit here, that bit should be 1, and 0 time. 0 0 0 0 0, right? 1 1 0 1 0. Cancel the leftmost bit 0 bit and put it down 1 more bit, that is 0, and 1 time, because the leftmost bit is 1, that is why we will consider the 1 time. So 1 0 0 11, right? 1 0 1 0 0. Cancel the leftmost bit and put it down 1 more bit here, that is 0 bit. So after cancel it, again the 0 is there, again the 0 time. 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 1 0 1 0. Cancel the leftmost bit, 0. So 1 time, because of leftmost bit is 1. 1 0 0 11. So 1 1 1 0 0. Cancel the leftmost bit, again the 0 we will add here. 0 1 1 1, I will add 0 here, 0, right? So 0 time. 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0, cancel it. So let's check for this one. So after doing the problem, we get the remainder is, or the CRC polynomial, the remainder is, or redundancy bit is 1110. So what is the actual message? This is the actual message. So actual message is 110 110 10 110. After 110, then here 5 ones are there. So but in our example only 3 ones and 0, so it's not right answer. And next one, so 110. So but here the 1110 is also correct, not a correct answer. And consider the next one, 110, yes, 110 10 10, and after 10 5 ones were there. So but in our problem there is no 5 ones. This is also not one. Yes. So this is the wrong answer, B is the wrong answer, A also wrong answer, and C also wrong answer. But again we will check the A, the option A, 110 10 110 110 and 11 up to here. After that 1110. So the remainder is 1110, right? So up to here is the actual data word, and this is the remainder one. So this is the right answer. A is the right answer. Okay. So this bit is asked in 2016 UGC NET one. Okay. If you have any doubts, thank you for watching. Please comment on any questions. You have any doubts, please comment on this one.